Every software company right now wants to say the same thing. We have AI built into the product. And I get it. AI feels slick. It makes the platform feel smarter, more modern, and more useful. But here's the part that gets missed. To customers, AI feels like a feature. To operators, it becomes a cost engine. Every prompt, summary, model call, workflow, and automation has a cost behind it. So the real question is not just, can we build AI into the product? The real question is, can the business model support it once customers actually start using it? The reason companies are racing into AI is simple. Adoption is already here and spending is exploding. McKinsey found that 88% of organizations are using AI in at least one business function. Gartner forecasts worldwide AI spend will reach 2.5 trillion in 2026, up 44% year over year, and 3.3 trillion in 2027. So this is not a small product trend anymore. AI has moved from pilot buzz to platform expectation. Customers are starting to expect AI in the product they use. Sales teams want it in demos. Product teams want it on the roadmap. Leadership wants to show the market they are not falling behind. The pressure is real. And to be clear, the upside is real. AI can make workflows smarter. It can summarize information, automate basic tasks, and help users get answers fast. It can also make demos more compelling. A product with AI often feels more current, even if the underlying platform has been around for years. And if the AI experience is actually useful, it can make the product stickier. That matters because sticky features can drive adoption, retention, upsells, and differentiation. So I'm not saying companies should avoid AI. I'm saying they need to understand what happens when customers actually love it. Because once AI becomes part of the workflow, it gets very hard to take away. Here's where the business model starts to shift. A traditional SaaS feature usually has a fairly predictable cost structure. You build it, support it, and include it in the product. AI behaves differently. A user prompt can trigger a model call. That model call uses compute and tokens. Then you add support, security, governance, monitoring, and usage visibility. Now that cost can rise every time the customer uses the feature more. That creates variable margin pressure, and that is the uncomfortable part. The more your customers love it, the more it may cost you. So finance product, the go-to-market need to be aligned before usage scales, not after the bill shows up. This is why the next few years matter. In 2026, the pressure is to launch AI because customers expect it. In 2027, the pressure shifts to ROI. Leaders will need to prove the feature creates real value and does not quietly erode margin. By 2028, the winners will be the companies that figure out pricing, packaging, metering, and governance. Gartner predicts that over 40% of agentic AI projects may be canceled by the end of 2027 because of rising cost, unclear business value, and weak risk control. IDC projects global AI spending will reach more than 630 billion by 2028. That tells you the market is moving fast and not every project will survive. The executive takeaway is simple. Do not treat AI as just another feature build. Treat it as a business model decision. You have options. You can include AI in the base product. You can reserve it for a premium tier. You can meter usage. You can sell AI credits. You can limit the most expensive workflows to enterprise packages. There is no one right answer. The right answer depends on the value delivered, the cost to serve, and how customers actually use it. AI should create pricing power, not margin pressure. So build it with pricing, governance, and cost visibility from day one.